2006 Zephyr. The Lincoln Zephyr is every bit a contemporary Lincoln in its exterior styling, angular and toned. With the trademark Lincoln chromed waterfall grille and sculpted hood, it's conservative enough to please longtime Lincoln buyers, yet fresh enough to attract the younger set that Lincoln desires, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, CD changer, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, aluminum wheels. Come see the car for yourself.